What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. I just wanted to make a quick video on the launch of OPENCAMPUS and the EDU token. I created a full video as well on the project and whether I thought it would be a good buy, that type of stuff. So if you want to check that out, check that out. I think if you go to YouTube and you type in OPENCAMPUS, let me quickly click that away. If you type it in, I think you'll just find me, to be honest. OPENCAMPUS crypto. Yeah, here you can see it. So if you want a review of the project, there it is. In this video, what I wanted to talk about is more of what to expect now after the launch. All right, so we'll take a look at the Space ID and Hook Protocol, which are two projects that launched last year, and ID not too long ago, via the same Binance Launchpad. So just wanted to go over that, and in general also a fair valuation in my eyes on OPENCAMPUS, also related to the previous Binance Launchpad launches, and therefore try to give you as accurate of a price prediction as possible. Since I know it's totally it's almost undoable to do it after like this quickly after the launch. It's only been tradable for 3 hours. All right, so I'm not going to pretend that that's possible, but I do think there's something we can do with history of a Binance Launchpad launches. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now on to EDU. So the thing is, usually what happens with these new launches is that, and you can see the 4-hour time frame for ID and for Hook Protocol right here, is that usually we get quite a nice rally initially. Here you can also see like the first 24 hours are relatively bullish, also very volatile. So I'm not sure if trading EDU is the best thing you can do right now. But the opening is always relatively bullish. The same with ID, the opening was relatively bullish. We went up like, well, how much this is? From like 40 cents all the way up to 58 cents at the very most. So it was like a 50% gain. But I have to say the markets also were very, very bullish then. With Hook Protocol, the markets were a little bit less bullish. And what you saw then is that from this bottom right here, we went up. It was still like a 46% gain. So now the big question is when are we going to dip? Because you can see that both with ID and Hook, you have a little bit of a dip first and then an impressive move up. And right now, a 50% gain from EDU would bring it all the way up to like, what is it? Like almost 1.8, 1.9. So I'm not sure if that's a possibility. For me, it would really be closer to like 1.75. What you see right now is that 1.5 psychological level. Usually cryptos react a lot to psychological levels when they've just been launched. So 1.5 is the current resistance, is our current, and I think we'll get up there. And I think because of what we've seen with Space ID and Hooked, I think we can break above that. But for me, let's say $1.75, $1.8 is my price target. That is in line with what happened with Space ID and with Hook, but it's also a psychological level with 1.75, and it just makes quite a lot of sense to me. We're analyzing on Binance, by the way, which is not ideal, because I would love to see where the 1.618 fib is. But I'm unable to see it because I cannot do it in here. No, I cannot. I cannot put in a 1.618 fib. I would say the 1.618 is also around 1.8, but we'll have to see. And on the short term, this level right here around 1.35 is our main resistance. I think we can break above that, get to 1.5. And I think we can get that bullish breakout above 1.5 to get up to 1.75, 1.8. And then from there, I expect some bearish momentum. Perhaps we'll spike up to $2, but I doubt it, to be honest. And from there, we'll see again how far we will drop. I mean, tomorrow we'll probably be able to do some sort of an analysis on the 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame is the first time frame I think you can actually say something about the technicals, because now there's really barely anything I can say about it. So it's waiting for that, but I am short-term bullish on EDU. I do not think that $1.5 level, historically, that's just probably not going to be the top. But then where the top is obviously hard to estimate. I think around 1.75, 1.8. perhaps a spike up to $2, but I do not think we'll break above 1.8, and then from there we'll see again how far we will drop. But I will be back with more updates if you're interested in that. Make sure to subscribe, but for now this is my initial thoughts on the launch of eDO and OpenCampus. So thank you for watching, take care today, and bye.